Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing that frustrating waiting to upload error on Google Drive so you can get your files backed up without the headache. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common reason for this error is that the app's temporary files have gotten stuck in a loop. We need to clear them out to reset the upload queue. Go ahead and open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down until you find Apps or App Management and give that a tap. Search through the list to find Drive or Google Drive and select it. Tap on the option that says Force Stop at the bottom right. This ensures the app completely shuts down. Next, tap on Storage and Cache. Click the button that says Clear Cache. Be careful not to clear storage or data unless you want to reset the whole app. Just the cache is fine. Sometimes Drive is simply waiting for a Wi-Fi connection because of a specific setting, even if you have strong mobile data. Open up the Google Drive app again. Tap on the three horizontal lines, the hamburger menu, in the top left corner. Select Settings from the menu. Scroll down to the very bottom to the Data Usage section. Look for the toggle that says Transfer Files Only over Wi-Fi. If you were trying to upload using your mobile data, you need to click this toggle to turn it off. A prompt will appear warning you about data usage. Just click OK to confirm. If it is still stuck, we need to force your phone to reconnect to the network server. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait for about 10 seconds to let all connections fully disconnect. Tap the icon again to turn airplane mode off. Once your internet reconnects, go back into Google Drive and pull down on the screen to refresh. Your files should start uploading immediately. And that's it. You now know how to unstick your uploads and get your files safely into the cloud. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.